Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Wall Street close indexes throw in the towel on turnaround Thursday. http ntvforex.com News ID 50A941. July 23, 21:12 GMT. By Ross J. Berland. Indexes fall: Dow 1.31%, S&P 1.23%, Nasdaq 2.29%. U.S. jobless claims post surprise increase. U.S. coronavirus cases accelerate and Florida is running out of ICU beds. Wall Street's benchmarks dropped sharply on Thursday in an exodus of technology shares due to mixed earnings reports and growing signs of a worsening coronavirus pandemic. Just about every U.S. data release disappointed, and as nervousness on the geopolitical front grows, investors are weighing the likelihood of an exacerbated deep economic recession which cut the U.S. indexes down to size. All three major U.S. stock averages lost ground, with falling momentum stocks Apple, Microsoft Corp MSFT and Amazon.com AMZN weighing heaviest. The major headline was with the tech watchdog group reporting that Apple Inc. AAPL faces consumer protection investigations in multiple states. The Nasdaq Composite IXIC dropped 244.71 points, or 2.29%, to 10,461.42. The Dow Jones Industrial Average DJI fell 353.51 points, or 1.31%, to 26,652.33. The bellwether S&P 500 slid more than 1%, losing 40.36 points, or 1.23%, to 3,235.66, snapping a four-day winning streak with its biggest daily percentage drop since June 26. Of the 11 major sectors in the S&P 500, 8 closed in the red, with tech shares S5INFT notching the largest percentage drop. U.S. coronavirus cases topped 4 million on Thursday. Meanwhile, the coronavirus situation is getting worse, a lot worse. Total U.S. coronavirus cases topped 4 million on Thursday, with nearly 2,600 new cases every hour, on average, according to a Reuters tally. More on this here. Hospitals in Florida had no available beds in intensive care units, U.S. cases accelerate. U.S. jobless claims unexpectedly ticked higher to 1.416 million last week, the Labor Department said. The number excludes recipients of pandemic unemployment assistance, set to expire on July 31, reigniting fears of unemployment down the track. The miss wasn't large, with weekly claims for the week to July 18 at 1416K against expectations of a fall to 1300K, but it was enough to spook the market, and comes at a time when Congress is negotiating a new package to help tens of thousands of American workers who are set to lose benefits at the end of this month. Analysts at ANZ Bank explained. Continuing claims for the prior week fell more than expected, but the Kansas City Fed's manufacturing index didn't recover as well as had been expected. In the background, Congress kept working to pass new stimulus before that deadline continued, with Senate Republicans announcing they could present their version of the bill to Democrats as early as this week. S&P 500 levels. S&P 500 price analysis for HR bearish divergence in momentum, yet bulls remain in control. Overview. Today last price. 3,244.75. Today daily change. 12.75. Today daily change percent. 0.39. Today daily open. 3,257.5. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 3,162.42. Daily SMA 50. 3097.63. Daily SMA 100. 2904.96. Daily SMA 200. 3044.68. Levels. Previous daily high. 3273. Previous daily low. 3237.5. Previous weekly high 3242.5. Previous weekly low 3129.25. Previous monthly high 3233.25. Previous monthly low 2936.5. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 3251.06. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 3259.44. Daily Pivot Point S1. 3239. Daily Pivot Point S2. 3220.5. Daily Pivot Point S3. 3203.5. Daily Pivot Point R1. 3274.5. Daily Pivot Point R2. 3291.5. Daily Pivot Point R3. 3310. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.